it all brought me back to when a preacher shared her words of comfort then. She said, imagine we all live under the water, never knowing the sky and light that wonders, the wind that carries over far off fields, where every shadow bends and softly yields. Butterfly drifting by through the endless afternoon.